Hello everyone, welcome to the fifth and the last lecture of Unit 2. In this lecture, we will be linking the philosophy with the interpretive frameworks. As we just studied that obviously philosophy have its own characteristics, how it is defined, and interpretive framework is kind of the stance that you're taking, what you believe the reality is and how it should be worked upon. The interpretive frameworks have specific characteristics under ontology, that what is the reality, epistemology, what can you know about the reality, axiology, how are values influencing it, like the gender, race, and all that, and then the methodology that how you can find out about it. In this unit, in this lecture, we are going to compare the different interpretive frameworks which we just described in the previous lecture. For example, as I said that in the positivist belief that there is only one reality. They are very objective in their finding out that what can be found out. So whatever the results are there, they believe it's true. They don't include any kind of values in that. They believe that there is no kind of an external influence of the context or the people, as therefore they believe in the experiment verification of the hypothesis. Whereas the post positivists, they are more critical realists. They believe in one reality, but there's only probabilistic noble. They are also very objective, and they go for the empirical findings, and they say that the empirical findings are most probably true. And then they don't they don't they even they deny the influence of the external values. They believe their methodology is more modified. They also go for experimentation, they and the falsification of hypothesis. Then comes the constructivist. They are also known as interpretivist. These are, we can say that usually most of the qualitative researchers lie over here. They believe that there are multiple realities, therefore the epistemology is more subjective. It may change because of the people and the context, and which is why the axiology, all the values are included. It forms obviously as per the people and the context, things might change, and mostly the methodology is more qualitative, and we use more tools like interviews and observations here. Then another important one, as I just told you, that can be the pragmatists. That pragmatists are also realist kind of people. They depend on the particular study, they depend on the particular context, and they say that you should go and use a methodology which is more useful in finding and or solving the problem. They usually work on the mixed method uh, methodology. So these are the three main ones. So if you are working on the quantitative side, you most probably be working towards positivist or post positivist. If you are working on qualitative side, so you will be mostly working on the you will be most probably working on the constructivist side. And if you're going on the mixed method research, you will be more on the pragmatist sides. So it is very important to understand the basic philosophies. It will help you choose a specific interpretive framework, and it will help you in designing your methodologies properly. This will be the end of